What is up YouTube? Welcome back again. It's your buddy Technoboy, and in this video I'm going to unbox and check this Bluetooth speaker. Well, this is very small one. You can see it's in my hand. So as it says, JBL Harman Mini Boost 4. As you can see that many things are written here. So this is not actually JBL, it's a copy one. So today I'm going to unbox this thing and I'm going to check it out, how it works, the sound and all, the battery backup and all. So let's check it out. Well, that's the speaker, and in the box things are written. Model number is NV Boom 3D, weight 140 grams only, power 5A, battery 500 mAh, features TWS, selfie, I don't know what is that for. Anyway, it says 8 hours of battery power. We're gonna check that out. Well, I'm not gonna play it for 8 hours. Anyway, we're gonna check it out. So this is the speaker, very tiny one. You can see, very small, just like this. So that's the speaker, that's the bottom side, and the rubber finish is there. That's the Type-C socket for charging, and the power button is there at the middle, and the side body is metal, steel I guess. So that's why the small thing is a bit of heavy, and at the top the metal grill is there and the speaker inside of it. That much small this thing is in my palm, as you can see. So now the point is how good this can sound and how loud it's gonna be. So let's turn this thing on. You heard some noise, I guess, and here you can see the blue light. The blue lights are there on this black strip right there. So now I'm gonna connect this thing to my mobile phone and I'm gonna check it out. So now it's connected to this mobile phone and I'm gonna check some songs. So as you are listening, the sound is very good. I didn't expect to have that kind of sound from this tiny speaker. Well, I have unboxed a plastic speaker, the cheapest one, long back, and that sound was like very thin, like you are hearing to a tweeter, a small tweeter kind of thing. But this is not that kind of sound. I can feel the bass from it, the pressure, and also the loud enough. So you can easily keep this thing in your pocket and you can carry it anywhere. So that's the nice thing. And now let's play some other songs and check it out. So this is loud enough, but not that much loud, as now this is winter time, and so everything is like silent, no fan or any other kind of noises there. So in the summertime, if your fan is running, or something like that. Summer is kind of noisy, so in that time it might not feel that much loud, but for now it is pretty loud enough. And this small thing you cannot expect, like room filling sound. You're keeping it somewhere in your room and you're listening from the other side and dancing or party kind of thing. It's not type of that. It's for personal use only, like you keep it near you somewhere and listen to the music, and for that this thing is loud enough. And really I like the sound quality, of course, and I didn't expect that much good sound from a copy one, or also the cheap one. So I like this thing.
In the back and we gotta get profit. I'm standing on top of the glory, the road. We was just rebels and do what was told. When they asked me how we leveled up without us getting stuck, we just muscled up. This game spin, no one gotta tighten up, gotta muscle up, or you will get stuck in this game.
So I can hear the bass and the trebles and highs and vocals all separately. So the sound quality, as I told you, is really very good. This thing cost me only rupees 250, and for that much price the sound is very good enough, I think. And it's for, as I told you, the personal use. This small one you can see, so like I can keep it in my palm like that. So if you not a big like speaker kind of lover, you want small speaker for personal use and listening to music and all, so you can buy this thing just like that. And this is very wonderful thing. So I got this thing from Misho, and I'll give the link in the description below, so you can go there and check this thing out. So that's it. And if you didn't subscribe to my channel yet, then go there and click the red button right there, subscribe to my channel, and share it with all your friends, and stay tuned for more videos like this. And do check my description, other channel links are there. So that's it, that's all for today. So in the next video, thanks for watching, bye bye.
I'm good, I'm surrounded by family like back in the hood. I was falling from grace, I was misunderstood. Hey, the pressure will sit you right down, but I stood up, I mean what I say, and I say what I mean. On the balcony screaming, they just let me be. Behind to slow it down, what goes around comes around. Oh, the frequency different now, I was going through different rounds. Hey, it's crazy, the progress is hitting now. Ain't no sitting and lost and found. I found what I lost in a minute now. I was on the wrong path, I admit it now. My only option was to get it now. I got it on both and I learned from the losses. My failure was friendship, I saw it was ghosting. Started like everyone had certain tools. Only difference is I knew what to do. Now everyone calling when progress is stalling. My stock is been slowing, my life getting boring. Ain't no more hitting me up when you lose. When it's time to wake up, see you hitting a snooze. When they lost me, I live my own life in a new galaxy. I wanna be weightless in the silence of the night sky. I wanna free fall into nothing at all. I'm taking the moment, starting all over. Wanna be free and live my own life in a new galaxy.